Why your digestion feels off and how fennel seeds can help. Let's face it, we've all been there. That uncomfortable bloating after a meal. That tight, gassy feeling in your stomach that just won't go away. Maybe it's occasional. Maybe it's daily, but one thing's for sure, it's frustrating, it's uncomfortable. And it can seriously affect your quality of life. Sometimes you eat healthy and still feel off. Other times, even a small indulgence leaves you feeling like you swallowed a balloon. You try cutting things out, popping antacids, or just suffering through it. But what if there was a simple, natural way to soothe your gut? Let me introduce you to an ancient remedy hiding in plain sight: fennel seeds. Yes, those little aromatic seeds you might have seen sprinkled on naan bread, served in Indian restaurants, or sitting in a jar in your spice cabinet. These aren't just for flavor. They are one of the most powerful natural digestive aids in the world. For centuries, fennel seeds have been used in Ayurvedic, traditional Chinese, and Mediterranean medicine for one core purpose: to support healthy digestion. And it's not just traditional wisdom, modern science backs it up too. So how does it work? Fennel seeds are rich in essential oils and compounds like anthol, fenchone, and estragol, all of which work together to relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, reduce gas production, soothe cramping and bloating, stimulate bile flow, helping your body break down food more efficiently. In simple terms, they help your gut do its job better and faster so food doesn't sit there fermenting, causing gas and discomfort. But it's not just about digestion. Fennel seeds also act as a mild diuretic, helping with water retention, contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the gut, and even freshen your breath naturally. Which is why they're often served after meals in South Asian cultures. If you've been living with post-meal discomfort or sluggish digestion, fennel seeds may be the gentle, natural fix you've been missing. In Part 2, we'll talk about exactly how to use fennel seeds in your daily life, when to take them, how much, and what kinds of results you might start seeing. Let's dive into the details. How to use fennel seeds for digestion and what to expect. Now that you know why fennel seeds are so effective for digestion, let's walk through how to use them. The best part: you don't need fancy tools, supplements, or complicated recipes. There are 2 simple ways to use fennel seeds for digestive support. 1. Chew them after meals. Take about 1 teaspoon of raw fennel seeds, preferably lightly toasted, and chew them slowly after your main meal. This is a common practice in Indian culture, not only because it aids digestion, but because it freshens the breath naturally. Chewing the seeds releases the oils and compounds that relax your digestive tract, reduce bloating, and ease gas buildup. Plus, the act of chewing itself signals your body to kickstart digestion. 2. Brew fennel seed tea. If you're not into chewing seeds or want a more soothing option, you can make fennel tea. Here's how: boil 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in about 1.5 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it steep, strain it, and sip it warm, especially after meals or when you feel bloated. It's naturally caffeine-free, gentle on the stomach, and has a mild, sweet taste that's easy to enjoy. You can even combine it with other gut-friendly herbs like ginger or chamomile for extra benefits. So what happens when you start taking fennel seeds regularly? After a few days, most people notice less bloating after meals, reduced gas and abdominal discomfort, a feeling of being lighter and less sluggish, better regularity and easier digestion overall, and even fewer sugar cravings thanks to its mild sweetness and effect on appetite. Over time, your gut starts to feel calmer and more balanced, especially if you've been dealing with IBS symptoms, indigestion, or irregular bowel movements. And the best part, fennel seeds are affordable, completely natural, safe for daily use, and they work with your body, not against it. No harsh laxatives, no bloating pills, no risky chemicals, just pure, plant-powered support. Of course, if you're pregnant or have specific health conditions, check in with your healthcare provider first. But for most people, fennel is one of the safest, easiest, and most effective herbs you can add to your daily routine. So if your belly's been begging for relief, if you're tired of discomfort, bloating, or that heavy, sluggish feeling after eating, it might be time to bring in this tiny, powerful seed. reset your gut, support digestion, feel better from the inside out. Try fennel seeds your belly will thank you.